coming to my house, there will be cheese. It's just what I do as part of every gathering. I love cheese, and so this is what you need for a cheese board. Now, the first thing I want you to know is it doesn't always have to be wood. It doesn't always have to be the same shape. Sometimes I use a piece of slate. Cheese looks really pretty against this. The dried fruit looks really pretty against this. It could be a plate. If you just have a large platter, it's fine, but you need cheese knives for your cheese. They come in all kinds of shapes and sizes, and when you're on your trips or you're going to visit someplace, look for fun things. This happens to be a cool mouse I picked up in Paris years ago. I don't even remember where, but I thought it was fun. Took me years to use it, but I use it all the time now. You're also going to need little bowls because you have olives, you have nuts, all kinds of things. You're going to need little spoons for your little bowls. Pick them up on your trips, or Crate and Barrel. They're great. If you have someplace to put your cheese, something to cut your cheese with, and something to put your olives and things for your cheese board, you've got cheese for a party.